Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shri Mahapiriyava Sharanam. If we hold on to Mahapiriyava, we will be saved by him from any adverse calamity or circumstance in any corner of the world. There was a gentleman who was working in Assam tea estate. He had high regards and love for Shri Mahapiriyava. He lived in Assam along with his family. At the time of his retirement, his boss offered him an increase in pay and asked him to continue his service for some more time. He did not accept this as he had already decided that whatever he had earned so far was enough and he would spend rest of his life with Mahapiriyava. This was his firm decision. He sent his family to Kanchipuram as he had few more responsibilities to hand over. As he was in a high post, he had few helps to assist him at home. He completed his pending work in a day or two, and he had booked his train tickets to Madras for the next day. Previous night, he sent away his assistants and he was all alone in his estate home. Suddenly, he experienced shortness of breath. He wanted to get up to grab a glass of water, but he couldn't move as he felt something as heavy as stone pressing his chest. Somehow, praying to Mahapiriyava, he took Piriva's photo that was there by his bedside and hugged it close to his chest. With unbearable pain, tears in his eyes, and Sri Mahapiriyava's name in his lips, he somehow fell asleep. He woke up next morning and seeing Mahapiriyava's photo, he remembered what happened the previous night. Though he felt better, he wanted to consult a doctor as he was traveling that day. He walked to the doctor's clinic that was just few minutes away and got a ECG done. The doctor examined his ECG report and was shocked. He said, "You had had a massive heart attack yesterday night. We are not sure how you are even alive, but you have walked to the hospital. This is something impossible. Please get admitted immediately." The devotee had tears. He said, "When such a guru is there as God to save me, why should I fear? He will take care. I am traveling tonight." Saying this, he came to Madras as per his plan. He did not tell to his family anything about his illness. He just said he wants to see the Mahan at the earliest. They all came to Kanchipuram and took his darshan. Mahapiriyava looked at him keenly and asked him, How is your health now? Is it okay?" His wife and others were shocked. They started pestering him, asking what happened. Mahapiriyava smilingly said, "Henceforth, if you face any health issue, call God. Why do you call me?" The devotee said with tears, "Yes, Piriyava, I called my God only." Jai Jai Shankara, Hara Hara Shankara.